Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine, where I will be doing 5 minutes of typing exercise and AngularJS tutorial. Okay, let's get into it. Every single time. Alright. Oh, crap. Error. Dot. Enter. Okay, cool. 3%. Okay. Felt good typing. Alright, what is the result? It should be better. 1%, nice. And even I'm faster. Okay, so we'll close this. I want now that AngularJS. So I guess I'll do open recent. And that will be AngularJS Playground. That sounds good. In this window, please. Stop the typing timer, start the AngularJS timer. And this looks kinda good. What do we have here? Log 7th. That was 2 days ago. Okay. So next thing is to do the AngularJS modules in here. Okay, so maybe I can start. So there's expressions control. Wait a moment. I did expressions, so then it should be controllers, right? No, it's modules. Did they change it? Oh, it's O3 expressions, and then it's O8 controllers. Okay, so that is all cool and shit. So we will create a directory. It will be O4 modules. So O4 modules. Here we go. Then what did we have here? I will just say here I want HTML file. It will be called modules. That's it. Here I will include the Angular thing. Modules, and I will include it here. That should be enough. And we want to do the modules. Okay, so I can create a module. What do we create a module for? It is Angular dot module, and then I pass in some parameters. So string, that's the name. 3 parameters. So it's string requires, which is array. Why is there the exclamation mark? And there is a config function. So this will be module name, then requires nothing, and then function. I'll put it in here. That's it, I think. Why do we have here the modules? Defines an application, the module container for different parts. The module is container for different parts of an application. The module is a container for the application controllers. Control always belongs to a module. Okay. And okay. Oh, Okay, so they did app, and then maybe I can do like a third, or I can do app.controller. Is that what it was? What was the third parameter? Config function. Okay, so maybe it's not that. So I will do module name and empty array. And I will say let module name equal to but it's not module name, so this will be my, can I say module? Okay. And then we were putting the controller in. And so that is app control, my controller. And the function, okay, so you'll try that. A module dot controller, and here we will say what's parameter info, no parameter info. Really? Okay. And what's the matter in here? Method expression is not of function type. Controller, and here will be the function defining it. Function, it takes scope, and we will put some variables on scope. So scope dot name equals John, and scope dot surname, that will be the, okay, I've got that. That's end of the script. Okay, so and I can do body in the body or in the div. I will put it in the div. Everything will be in div. And here I will say ng-app. Here I put the module, and then I will define ng controller. Not that. ng controller, yes, and that will be my controller. Okay, and here we will have two fields, and I will use the expression for the name, so it will be, I will say name just like that, and then we will have a paragraph, and here I will say ng model, I think, model, yeah, and I will say surname. Okay, so let's save it and see if it works. And it doesn't. Try to comment this. Reload it. Also does not. So what is different? So this is mice controller. So ng controller, ng app, my app. Also, where is my bull? Background image. All night. You should be there. Okay. Oh, IntelliJ, you break. Um, Module controller, is this bad or if I do, if I just steal it, I will put here another thing and then I steal this and put it right behind it. Will it work? And reload. That one doesn't work neither. So I have some problem in here. Do I load the wrong thing? So in form modules, what about in the O3 expressions? How was it there? In repetition, I will look. I said ANGULAR.js. This one worked. This one works here. In the ng app, it says nothing in here. Can I kind of format it? Nginit name Maryland. Where's the? It just says ng app, and that's it. I don't have a controller here at all. Hmm. Do we have some error? Inject a file to instantiate module to module is not available. Okay, so what do we do here? I'll go in the modules and maybe module is not allowed word. So I will try to rename it to my module. To refactor. And then it doesn't change this one, so it's far from perfect, I would say. And far from quick. I wonder if this will change or not. I would like to do shit. Come on. You cannot chase me, I'm away, away. Oh, I catched you. Haha. That took long. That took really long. Well, anyway, I'll copy this to here. Oh, no. Yeah, that's what I wanted. And then I'll go here and I'll try to force reload. Well, hard reload. Okay, failed to instantiate my module due to not available. You either misspelled my module name or forgot to load it. If registering my module, ensure that you specify dependencies as add. If registering my module, ensure that you specify the dependencies as the second argument. Function. Okay, only thing I see is this, but that shouldn't be a problem. And it blows up in here. Well, if I comment those, will it blow up on the other thing? Maybe it's not even a problem. There. Okay, this one works. So this is confusing. This is very confusing. So what did I did? ng controller, ng app. So it's the same thing. My module controller. There's name of the controller. Function scope. Angular. This is var and this is let. So maybe it must be var to be accessible everywhere. No, that is not it. A minor int failed to instantiate my module due to my module is not available. Okay, so I'll try another thing. I don't know what it will be. What does it say here? Yeah, I know. Let's keep it as it is. Maybe the controller cannot be named controller. So I'll say my controller. My controller. Save. Load. Oh, still my module is not available. Why not? Okay, so I'll rename it to my module 04. Maybe, I don't know. My module 04 and Angular. No, here 04. Okay. And here I'll say my module 04. I don't I don't see it. I don't see it at all. I don't see what's wrong. So we have var my module, var app, Angular module, Angular module. Then we have two parameters in it. Name of it, name, and an empty array. That's it. That's the definition. Okay, so next to that module, we say controller, and then we provide a name, comma, and a function. Scope, scope. Then I have a scope name. Scope name, scope first name. Okay, this is a fucking mystery to me. Why is this highlighted? Cannot resolve. Okay, but this one you can. How come? Okay, this is my module. And I should use the module name. Ah, I see. And my controller is okay, I think. And now this doesn't work? You are kidding. John Doe. Okay, well, I need to separate it somehow, so this will be I will say diff, and I will just do this. Yeah, save it, reload it. Cool. Now we will uncomment those. Reload. Now the second one broke. And we have ng model, so ng model is not the right thing, it might be bind. Bind. Oh, here we go. So that works. And now the second one does not work. Maybe I cannot have two controllers in there, or what's the matter? And I have no error in here. It's even weirder. Well, anyway, the partially works. So I don't need this guy. You will learn more about controls later. Okay. Adding a directive. AngularJS has set of built-in directives which you can use to add functionality to your application. For full reference, you can visit some site. In addition, you can use the module to add your own directives to your application. Okay. So the camel case translate to kebab. So you do directive, name, and then the function. And I will return template. Okay. So we do that. I think I don't need you currently. Okay. And the app also not. But we will create the directive. So we will put it on the module, I think. My module directive. Okay, so the first one was my direct my directive, and then there was this function which will take nothing and will return a object, and inside there will be template, and that will be this is template. Wow. And uh, I have to do it inside of here. I will say um, div, I guess, and uh, my directive. Cool. Uh, I don't know why it did this thing. This might work. Oh, cool. Even the typo is there. Okay. Okay, so next thing I will do this. Okay, so I will go to the MD file. Yep. And I'll say this, and the chapter is AngularJS modules. Oh, well, yeah, that's it. Okay, so I do commit. Oh, there's a lot of those. It it creates something else as well. What is that? Oh, anyway, it is modules in progress. Okay, I'll push and commit, commit and push. Okay, yes, please. And with that, we are way over the time, so which means we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.